Gold and silver have seen a very good sharp rally as expected and as we discussed in our analysis before the CPI inflation data. Now it has come to the crucial levels at 1960 plus and silver at 2420. So what to expect? Remember, silver has breached 2360 levels yesterday. Since last few days I have told several times that beyond 2350-60 we are going to see a very good rally. Precisely 2420, 2430 levels are seen. So what to expect today? Is it going to continue with the rally, or we can see a retracement from here? And if you have switch position, you should take, and at what levels in order to profit trading gold and silver, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Before leaving the video, just press the like button and press the bell icon so that you can remain updated with the help of second analysis for gold and silver, which is going to be released before the US session today itself. Also, do share, subscribe and comment. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold followed with silver to watch till the end. Also, before you can remain updated by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, let's have a look at gold on the hourly chart. See, it has consolidated for long before giving this breakout, and now again on the hourly charts it is consolidating here but with higher lows. Now, if you look at the support here, you will find 1956, 1954 levels are greater support. If you recall, 1954 was the earlier number which we were targeting, and now you can sell only if you see it trading below 1954. However, 1950 as the first target, and then below that 1945 and 40 levels will come into picture. 1940 is now going to remain a very good support. Now, if you look at a stochastic, this is seen rising. The MACD, now see, the MACD has seen a strong divergence here. It is willing to cross over for a sell. It has not yet crossed over. It is almost on the verge of it, and this is coming at a slightly higher level, so possibly it could cross over and trade with a modest bearish bias. See, the RSI is also overbought here, which increases the probability of a slight retracement on the downside, but it is still not a reversal. Now let's have a look at the 2-hour chart. Now see, on the 2-hour charts, bullish candles here, retracement candles here, support is seen, first bullish candle. Possibly it could give a breakout later in the day and may try to continue with the bullish momentum. So where to? I will recommend you to buy at 1962 itself. Beyond that, 1967, 1973 are two levels beyond which, if it stays, more bullishness will take it till towards 85. Now see, one point to note that the price is divergent from the moving average. It will wait for the moving average to come up and then possibly converge. Stochastic is overbought looking downwards. The MACD is trading with a extreme divergence, and hence probably it could try to converge a bit, which means a slight bearish or sideways candle. RSI is also overbought. And on the 3-hour, similar is the observation here, divergent bullish. Support is seen here at 54, and see, it is trading in this bullish channel. Wait for a breakout either which ways. Stochastic is extremely overbought. Possibly it could sustain this for a while, but then again it has to come down, and possibly this could happen with a slight sideways or bearish movement. Now see, MACD is also extremely divergent, and this calls for little bearish movement here. 2 RSI is also overbought on the 3-hour charts as well. Coming to the 4-hour, similar is the observation on the 4-hour charts. This is first breakout candle here after this, and once it stays above 1962, certainly it could take it further high till towards 1967-73 zone. Very good resistance exists there. The stochastic is overbought here. The MACD is also trading with extreme divergence. Now see, on the upside it has still got lot much of room. You can see it is still at +10 levels, and gold at the earlier times have seen +20, +30 levels also. RSI is overbought. And on the daily chart, now see, on the daily chart, this is a breakout here post getting the support from the lower trend line for last 3 to 4 you can say couple of weeks, and 3 to 4 times it has tried to breach this lower trend line, failed to do so. Now looking upwards, and remember, this is just the first breakout candle, but this zone becomes critical. This was a consolidation zone for gold, hence I will look out for these levels to be breached. If gold stays above 1985 any point of time, just note that we are going to look at 2000 plus level. Now see, this is from the bottom, this is looking forward to a reversal. Also it has breached this trend here. Now breaking the trend, possibly this calls for a rise, and how far it can rise, this is looking forward to this zone possibly. So right now, do not treat gold as bearish. Remember this fact. It could retrace, however retracement does not mean that it is turning bearish. Remember, it could bounce back, it could rally again. And see, the moving averages are crossing over here looking upwards. I will wait See, gold is only bearish if you see it trading below now 1920 levels. Now, once you see it trading below 1920, that is the time when you can say that gold has reversed and it is going to crash. And remember, that is also possible. These are markets beyond you and me, slightly trading overbought. The dollar index is also trading at the lows here at almost 100 levels, and it has achieved these levels after almost 1.5 years. So we have to be careful here. Yes, you can sell here at 1954 and buy at 1962. On the upside, be careful till 1967-73, and then beyond that more bullishness may prevail. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish looking upwards, RSI is flat. To take your trades accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Remember, it has come to till 1985. We should not treat it for a further rise. Till 1985, the chances of a pullback will remain very, very strong. It is still not to be treated confirmed for a complete reversal. Beyond 1985, possibly then it will try to aim for higher highs, and hence take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed to silver, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. 23rd batch already started this week. 24th batch will start on first week of August. Only few seats are left. Only few seats actually we keep in the batch so that we can attend each and every query and answer to each and everyone, and hence more focus on limited students. So reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Reserve your seats now itself. Now let's have a look at the silver on hourly charts first. See, silver after consolidating for a while has given a breakout on the hourly charts. Divergent and bullish. You can see prices are divergent from the moving average. Now 2390 levels, 2380 levels are greater support here. Now if you look at the support, it has created at 2410, very, very good. So yes, you can sell here at 2410, but then expect 2390 as the greater support and 2380 as the next support. Only and only if you see silver trading below 2380, further bearishness is going to be seen. Stochastic overbought. Now see, MACD was trading with a fat belly here. It has converged here. It has not yet crossed over, and this is trading at a slightly higher level, but it can continue sideways here. RSI is extremely overbought for silver on the hourly charts. And on the 2-hour charts, like, yes, it is trading with divergence and bullishness. Yes, it is looking upwards, but still not a sell till 2410 levels. Below 2410, yes, you can sell. However, we have to remain extremely careful as it has given a breakout. It was trading in this channel and now it has given a breakout. This breakout could continue for a little while. Now, if you look at the 2420 levels, look at this. This was the consolidation. This is the peak here. And beyond this also, you can see this. This was the earlier peak at 2440-50 zone, and hence these two levels are the greater resistance now for silver here. Also, if you look at 2-hour charts, after consolidating first bullish candle, possibly it can give couple or more bullish candles from here. Stochastic is certainly overbought. MACD is still trading with a fat belly. It can converge a bit. RSI is also trading overbought, and on the 3-hour chart, similar observation. It is not showing any signs of retracement. Any drop below 2410 is where you can take a position, but till 2380 we have to ensure that we are trading with a stop loss at cost. That is still a retracement, not a reversal. At the same time, a buying entry you can buy here at 2430 levels. But see, the stochastic extremely overbought here on the 3-hour charts. MACD extremely divergent and bullish here. RSI is also overbought. But one more point to note here is, see, when anything goes overbought, more buyers pitch in and tries to keep the price elevated. Now that is a phenomena where, you know, a instrument enters into a buy zone, and when it is in buy zone, everyone tries to eliminate the sell orders and enters into a buying entries. But right now still I can see the potential to reverse is still there till the time silver now trades below 2450, 2440 zone. Very, very good support exists here, resistance exists here. So yes, it is still trading bullish. However, chances of reversal still exist. Stochastic overbought. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is overbought. And on the daily, now look at the daily chart. See, it is consolidated here enough here. You can see it has almost taken the support from the bottom of this channel for a while before reversing, and we have discussed yesterday that it could complete the movement of this candle because see, this is breakout. Precisely, it has come back to the same levels. Also remember, silver was trading in this bearish channel for a little while on daily charts. Now it is giving a breakout. Possibly it could sustain the breakout for $25 levels in the near future and beyond also. Stock I stick overbought, MACD divergent bullish and looking upwards. RSI is very near to top. Considering this, you can buy at 24.30 and sell at 24.10. Remember, 24.40, 50 are next two resistance levels. Beyond that, $25 levels will get achieved. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.